In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix Dollar General app not working. Let's get started. First thing you wanna do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi or cellular data. Likewise, give a first restart to your router. Next thing you wanna do is first close the app. Launch the Dollar General app. First close it and relaunch it. Also give a fresh restart to your device. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next up, clear cache and cookies for the app. So launch settings. Go to General, go to iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find Dollar General and launch it. Now click on Offload app, confirm it, click on Reinstall app. If you're using Android device, press and hold on the Dollar General app, select the option, App Info, go to Storage, click on Clear Cache and confirm it. Likewise, make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can offload or delete the unused apps. Also update your software to its latest version. Next up, check for app updates. So head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Dollar General. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, try to access your account in the web version. So launch your preferred browser, head over to the official website of Dollar General, and from here you can try to log in. If you're unable to log in over here as well, what you can do is check the server status of Dollar General. For that, open a new tab, type in Dollar General server status, head over to the website like Dan Detector. Now if you found out any outages over here, wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. So that's it. Following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.